All right, Aaron Parker, Parker Safes and Vaults, Shelbyville, Tennessee. This job consisted of installing two vault doors. These are Vaultpro doors from California, Vaultpro USA. And both of these doors are over 2,000 pounds. So we used a gantry crane here to lift them up and get them off the pallet and kind of get them close to the opening. And then we use a lot of Teflon. So either Teflon like 90-degree pieces or these sheets like this. And usually even a heavy door, you know, if you kind of put your weight into it, you can kind of shuffle them into place and get them in position. Then the next step is getting everything plumb and level. Sometimes you got to shim these a little bit. These anchor into the frame. I believe they were half-inch concrete lags on that. And so we did the first door. There's Morgan in the back there installing the rest of the bolts for that one. And then we're putting the second door in. And, you know, still with this gantry crane, it made life a lot easier, I suppose. We have lifted these into place. Well, it took about 6 guys last time. I think that door was like 2,600 pounds. But this makes a world of difference. And then there's a little 90-degree Teflon piece that we use on top of a Teflon sheet and anchor in the second door. And there you go, 2 Vaultpro in-swing vault doors. So if you're in the market for a quality safe or vault door, we can probably help you out. Give us a call. Here comes our number, 931-842-6445, Shelbyville, Tennessee. Thanks for having a look, folks.